Hey guys, so I am home from work now and home from getting my hair done. I just wanted to get my hair braided up for the holiday. But we just got through washing Cosmo and I wanted to show you something I found at Dollar Tree like a little over a week ago. And that is this scrubber brush that you can put soap into. Now this is supposed to be like a body scrubber brush, so I think it's supposed to be for human use. But I thought it would be best for Cosmo because it just seems like it made more sense to use it for a pet. So it worked pretty good. It worked really good actually. So look at that little cute. Can y'all see the little smiley face on it? It came in just two colors at the Dollar Tree that I was at, purple or lavender I should say, and I think there was like maybe a bluish green. No, I think it was lavender and pink. I think those were the two colors. So yeah, but it probably comes in other colors at just different locations and stuff. So if you do see this and you are used to bathing your pet at home, you may want to try this. But it could also be good for adults as well, like kids, maybe bubble baths and stuff like that. This would be neat to have. This is dinner. Mexican restaurant down the street. 3 asada tacos, and my husband got a asada burrito. Hey y'all, so I just realized I haven't spoken to you guys all day. I went to work today. It was the last day before Christmas, of course, or the holiday time. I just got back from having dinner with my friends. It was good seeing them and just catching up and everything. And the restaurant was decorated and everything, so it was a really nice time. And now I am chilling because as soon as I got home, y'all, my eyes got so heavy. So I'm watching, I guess it's the second or the third Lord of the Rings. I guess the second. I don't know. I've seen all of them, but I think this is the second one. Anyway, I'm watching this and I'm probably gonna go to sleep real soon. So nothing very eventful today. I did get some more of my like gift cards and things like that for family and stuff, and that was really it today. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. Let me turn my TV down. So today I am going to visit my godkids and give them their Christmas presents and just visit with them. They live about 45 minutes away, so I don't get to see them as much as I would like to just because, 45 minutes is kind of far. It's kind of far whenever you have other things going on. But yeah, my husband and I are going to go visit them later. And then when we get home, we have a few more home things to do, fixing things and stuff like that. I may organize our closet that I bought all that organizational stuff for weeks ago. I may finally organize it. If I don't, then I may do it tomorrow. I know that's not very holiday-ish, but I kind of want to get it done before actual Christmas Day so I don't have to worry about it. So that's always a possibility for today. Hey guys, so we are back from our little trip to go visit my god kids and just hang out with them for a little bit. So now is the time to finally begin organizing this hallway closet. I'm kind of, I don't know if I should be showing y'all because it's not terrible. It's just, I don't like it because it's not organized. It's kind of junky looking, and so I'm trying to get it looking a little nicer. This project may not get completed today because there's actually some wallpaper from the previous owners of this house that is in here, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all up and get it cleaned up and all of that stuff. without having to go purchase some things and stuff like that. So I'm going to just check it out, maybe just take everything out for now and declutter, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, let me show y'all what I'm working with. Here is the closet. It's a good size. There's some dresser drawers here. I know that's missing a handle. That broke. I don't know what I did when I was putting it in place, but it broke. So that was a while ago. But anyway, here we are. Yeah, this shelf was, everything in here was organized at one point, and now it's just gotten so unorganized. Hair stuff over here, makeup stuff over here, and then we have like probiotics, we have aspirin and ibuprofen, we have toilet paper. Up here we have like Epsom salt and larger things. We have a heating pad back there. And then we have additional lotions and body sprays that I'm not using, but I don't want to necessarily just throw away. Stuff like that. An extra loofah. We have our fire extinguisher here for this side of the house. So, yeah, this all needs to be organized. And I told you guys this wallpaper here. So there's some adhesive. I think there may have been an older wallpaper underneath this, and they just kind of covered that up. So I bought some stuff to help organize, and that's what I am going to do. So it really wouldn't be this bad. It just looks this bad because I just haven't been doing anything the last 2 weeks because I knew I was going to organize. So yeah, y'all, that's where we are with the organizing. So I bought some containers. I bought some lights actually because there are no actual lights inside of the closet. So we just have our hallway light. So yeah, this would be great time to have a light in here. I got some that are motion activated, which is great. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes, but first let's declutter. Okay, guys, so if you can't tell, these are, I just plastered over a few holes that were in the doorway. And they also had a few holes here. Previous owner had put some holes, I guess, to hang some stuff. But we don't need them. So I know it looks a little janky, but I just covered these up. I just used this Dry X or Dry Dex spackling stuff. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. I got mine from Lowe's. I think you might be able to find this at Target as well and Walmart. Very easy to use to fill in any holes that you might find, like small holes and whatnot. It goes on really pink, like the color of this. And then it dries white. And so once it has dried fully, you can go in and sand it down. And you really do need to sand it down because if you don't, it won't be very smooth whenever you go in to paint it. I am a genius. I am at Target on Christmas Eve trying to grab wrapping paper. I found some, but I'm now looking around to see what else I can find, like stocking stuffers and things like that. Because my husband asked me last night if we had wrapping paper, and I was like, no. And I did want to wrap at least one of his gifts, just because I didn't want to put it in a bag because it's kind of big and bulky. So, you know, wait until the last minute, y'all. But thankfully, no one is here. So here is the closet now that it has been painted, you guys. I finished up the painting this morning. So I'm going to let this dry fully, and then I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in the closet. And so I've already organized everything. It's in the office right now. I'll just have to move it over into the closet. So yeah, I won't be finishing this until tomorrow. So if you want to see the outcome, definitely follow me on Instagram. Keisha Knows Nothing. I will be posting it there, probably in an Instagram story, the final outcome of reorganizing this closet space. So the rest of the day is going to be pretty chill. This is Christmas Eve. So we're just gonna hang out and relax. I just got through finished cleaning the house up, so I don't have to worry about it for a couple of days. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas with me. I know it wasn't super eventful, but I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing this. So I will see you guys later. Thanks again so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video and subscribe. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.